Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to take a look at your battle pass. So let's get started. Go into your passes tab. From your passes tab, just make sure to get everything from your regular rewards. And to get everything, by the way, you do need the battle pass. There are free things that you guys can't get from the battle pass without having it. But to get everything, you do need the battle pass, by the way. Same goes with bonus rewards. And in bonus rewards, just make sure to be level 70. Actually, even before level 70, you can actually get everything from here. But at level 70, for sure, you're going to be able to get everything. So all we have to do is just hold on X. And it's all about your levels. There's no quests or anything special about this. It's just about getting that level. I think when I was level 68 or 7, I could have got all this stuff from here. And all you guys have to do is just hold on to X, equip it, or just claim it. You don't have to equip every single thing from here. And then later on, we're going to be able to get to page number 2. But that's on November 11th. So right now, it's November 5th for me. We can go ahead and customize this guy right now. But you guys can always skip this step. As long as you guys claim it, you're good to go. And then finally, we get Homer. So that's going to be unlocked as soon as we get everything else before that. So right now we can equip, claim all. And there we go. We got Homer. So what did we get from here? Well, we got this awesome glider. Let's not forget about the emote. Plus this awesome wrap. Let's not forget about this other emote, which is pretty funny. And this little dude. Let's not forget about the other stuff for Homer. And that's it. It was that easy to claim this. We can just go back and take a look at it. So here it is. And that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.